I never thought I'd be making a video about fleas, but here we are. So your pet's scratching like crazy and... Uh-oh, we've got some uninvited guests. Don't worry though, we're about to turn your home into a flea-free zone. Let's kick those tiny party crashers out. First things first, we need to vacuum like our lives depend on it. I mean seriously, channel your inner cleaning maniac. Get every nook and cranny, under the couch, in between cushions, even that weird corner where your cat always hides. Next up, it's laundry time. Grab all the soft stuff your pets love. Their beds, blankets, that ratty old toy they refuse to let go of. Now, if you've got a yard, it's time to give it a haircut. Fleas love hanging out in tall grass, probably planning their next invasion. Okay, so we've tackled the house, but what about our furry friends? They're like flea magnets, right? Time to treat your pets. Last but not least, declutter and open up all areas of your house. I know, easier said than done. But think of it this way. You're not just cleaning, you're destroying flea hiding spots. And don't forget to unlock all the doors and gates. We need access everywhere to make sure those fleas have nowhere to run. So yeah, that's how you prep for flea treatment. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to a flea-free home. Your pets will be happier, your home will be cleaner, and those fleas, they'll be nothing but a distant, itchy memory. Now go forth and reclaim your flea-free kingdom.
Slug-A-Bug, slug bugs, but they save their biggest hit for termites. Not your wallet. When termites come a-munchin', Slug-A-Bug come a-punchin'. Slug-A-Bug.com.au. QBCC 1531530.